been looking around online for high-ticket affiliate programs, and the other guru's been telling you, here's a program that pays you $40 every time that you make a sale, and you're like, huh? You're looking for real high-ticket affiliate programs. A high-ticket affiliate program pays you $1,000 per sale and up. Not all this other stuff a lot of people are talking about. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm going to tell you the truth. The reason that they do that is because they don't want you to know about the real high-ticket programs that are out there, because usually they're selling a course that's high ticket. So they want you to buy their high ticket course so that you can sell their high ticket course. And yes, the majority of the high ticket programs out there happen to be courses, but that doesn't mean those are the only ones. So why should you sell high ticket in the first place? Let's look at the math. So I'm not going to overcomplicate things with like crazy math here. I'm going to break it down into very simple math. Most people that I come across that I coach every single day, they feel comfortable quitting their job somewhere around the $4,000, $5,000 in a month mark. Okay, so they say, I want to get into affiliate marketing and I want to make $4,000 or $5,000 in a month. That would make me comfortable to quit, right? Like that would make me like, okay, I'm out of here. I quit my job. I go to my boss. You know, I leave a bag of dookie on his desk or something. I say bye. Okay, it's like, okay, never see you again. But what they start doing is they start selling low ticket, meaning like $10, $20, $30 stuff that takes them forever. Now I highballed that. I said $50 per sale. That takes forever. In my experience working with people, I tell them, look, you cannot realistically, with the time that you're spending at work, with kids, with bills, with this, with that, really focus and concentrate on getting good at doing affiliate marketing and selling $10, $20, $30 stuff. You need, this takes 200 sales to make $4,000, okay? It takes 200 sales to make $4,000. It's gonna take you forever, okay? So here's the shortcut. Just sell high ticket products that are ranging $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per sale, and that way you only have to focus on 1, 2, 3 sales in a month. That's it. So I'll give you a real life story. This was October, Joel, okay? This was October 2019, Joel. You can see I'm driving around on a forklift. I'm working for a warehouse. I'm working for a company. I'm driving around on a forklift. I'm making about $1,000 every 2 weeks, which not great, but not bad. Just kind of in the middle, but I'm miserable, right? I'm working 10 hours a day. I'm working Saturdays. I'm spending time away from my kids. I'm just slaving away at work for a boss and making him rich, and I'm miserable, right? I'm not a happy camper. I start doing research online about affiliate marketing, and at first I was doing the low ticket too. This is how I know it's true. And by December, when I switched to high ticket, I said, bye, I'm out of that job. I'm leaving dust coming off my feet. I couldn't walk out of there fast enough.
I can't lose him.
I was so happy. I quit my job. I left that bag of dookie on my boss's desk and I got out of there, right? It was amazing. It was the most amazing, wonderful, fantastic day of my life. I got real freedom. I've been retired ever since, and it was all because I switched to high ticket. So that's how I know this is true. So first things first, let's get this out of the way. Yes, it's true that most of the affiliate marketing programs out there are probably going to be in the wealth niche. That's just the nature of the beast. Now, there may be some in other niches. I don't know. I'm in the wealth niche myself, so I can't tell you. You might just have to do some Google research and stuff like that. But if you're in the wealth niche, if you're in the make money online niche, if you're in the niche where you're helping entrepreneurs and stuff like that, there's a ton, and I mean a ton of high ticket affiliate programs. So there's no reason for you to come to me and be like, I still can't find any. Are you kidding me? Just like they're everywhere, okay? So let's get into that. Let me show you a few of them right now. Well, the first one I'm going to show you here is called Liquid Web. Liquid Web is basically kind of like a cloud service, hosting company. They do a lot of different services as far as kind of helping businesses store their information and stuff like that, and like transfer information over. They host websites and all kinds of different stuff like that. So if this is your niche, if this is something you help business owners and website builders and stuff do, then Liquid Web actually pays you up to $5,000 per referral. I mean, if you want to quit your job, there you go. You make one sale of this thing and you're out of there, right? Now, this one here is actually one of my favorites. If you're in the investing niche, okay, you want to be like the Wolf of Wall Street.
You made $72 grand in 1 month.
Yeah.
You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now. Hey, listen, I quit.
A lot of affiliates would actually turn away from this company here called Regal Assets. They have this partnership program here because it says that the commission structure is only 3% per referral. But here's what you're not understanding if you turned away from this program. That, hey, this is investments, okay? So it's not unusual or uncommon for somebody to throw $100,000 into an investment and you're making $3,000 per referral. Another great high-ticket affiliate program. Now, if you like helping other businesses, entrepreneurs find the software that's right for them and stuff like that, listen, go over here to HubSpot and look into their affiliate program, because they can pay you up right here up to $1,000 for each new purchase, and they have a ton of different software. They have a ton of different upsells and memberships, and like they just do, like, it's an all-in-one solution. They do pretty much everything for everyone. Okay, so if you start looking into some of the stuff that they have and what you can refer in here, a lot of it is really high-ticket stuff. Hey, you know what's really expensive for no reason whatsoever? Watches. That's right. If you come over here to Bob's Watches, they have a really ridiculously lucrative affiliate program where they pay you an average of $8,000 per order. It's stupid. And trust me, there's tons and tons and tons of watch enthusiasts out there. Just sell watches to like Wall Street people. Like they'll buy them and buy the suitcase, right? And you'll make a ton of money every single month. Now here's another one if you're into building a digital agency, or if you know anybody who's looking to start an online digital agency. This is Digital Agency Builders, and they actually pay you up to $1,000 per referral. And if you know anything about the internet age and the people making the most money, the people who are teaching and selling information are by far making the most money. So by teaching people how to build digital agencies, and you have this as one of your referrals, you can make a ton of money doing this. Again, in the internet age, the people making the most money are the ones selling the information. If you remember the gold rush, right? People were running to California to find gold, and the people making all the money were the people on the side of the road selling picks and shovels and tools and stuff for them to find the gold. So when you sell the picks and the shovels and the tools on the internet, you're positioning yourself in a way to make the most money. And here is WP Engine. Basically, this is a hosting company that hosts WordPress websites. Everybody and their grandma is getting a website nowadays. So if you can position yourself in a way where you're providing the tools that those people need, you can make a ton of money. And this is another high ticket program. They pay you up to $1,000 per referral. So this is another one that hits a home run out of the park. Now, last but not least, online learning is way past the billions and billions of dollars as far as internet revenue. People selling courses right now are making a ton of money. I was going to say a bad word there. They're making a ton of money, because that's how crazy it is. That's how absurd it is how much money these guys are making. Now, these are two of the top guys in the industry, right? You've probably heard of Tony Robbins, and this is Dean Graziosi. And they have this program called the Knowledge Business Blueprint. So basically, it's a course that teaches you how to make courses. I know, it's like Inception, right? So you come over here to mastermind.com, you can sign up for their partnership program, and they pay you $1,000 per sale of this course. And being as though it's Tony Robbins, I mean, you have a pretty big name to leverage off, right? So those are the ones that I know about right now, just offhand. I didn't go deep into Google searches and stuff like that, just stuff that popped up off the top of my head. But if you want to learn more about high-ticket affiliate marketing and the right way to do it, I have a video right here that I made a little while back, but it's still a good video. It teaches you some of the ins and outs about high-ticket affiliate marketing. So if you like the information I just gave you, please smash that like button and let YouTube know you want to see more videos like this. So if it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button. I show you how to build incredible wealth online with credible methods. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.